I'll talk slowly. Who is that girl with the pussycat? The pussycat is also going to learn, I think. Black pussycat. Okay, I think time is up. Are you ready? Good morning, students. Nice meeting you all again. I'm happy that I can see your beautiful faces. Fresh and eager faces. Thank you so much for coming in to this online class. We are going to learn about grammar, okay? And as I told you that we are going to check that page number 14 and 15. Let's see what you have written. I will say it and see whether your writing is correct or not. There is not only one answer, okay? There is not only one particular answer. There are 2, 3 answers that you can write. Okay, see page number 14, D. Last time I told you what is a vowel. Vowels are 5, A, E, I, O, and U. So you are going to add only that A, E, I, O, and U. Now, number 1, B dash Y. There you can write B, O, Y. You can even write B, A, Y. Okay? A and O, either one is correct. Then number 2, C, O, W. C, O, W. Number 3, Y, E, S. They are all vowels that we are adding. We are filling it up. Number 4, A, R, E. Number 5, O, U, R. Number 6, Y, A, K. Number 7, S, I, R. Don't write A. Some students, they write A. S-A-R has no meaning. It is not sir. Sir is S-I-R. Okay. Then number 8, here you can write 2 answers. P-U-P, pup. Or you can even write P-I-P, pip. Then number 9, G-O-D, God. Number 10, P-L-A-N, plun. And number 11, T-W-O, two. Number 12, it's got 2 answers. Oh, even 3 we can write. S-E-W, so. That is also correct. S-E-W also is correct. So you can write A also, you can write E also, Sue. Okay. I hope you all got it. Then let's go to number E, page number 15. Supply a suitable semi-vowels. Semi-vowels are 2 letters. Semi-vowel tekha W and Y. Okay. So we are going to fill up with only W and Y. Number 1, page 15, E, number 1, E, Y, E. Okay. Number 2, S, E, W. Number 3, P, R, A, Y, pray. Number 4, C, L, A, Y. Even if you write W, it's also correct. C, L, A, W, claw, the bird's claw. C, L, A, Y, clay, where we make pots, lake. And number 5, also you can write W also, you can write Y also. Both are correct. P-A-W, paw, and P-A-Y, pay. Both are correct. So you write what you wish. And number 6, D-E-W, dew, die, D-E-W, dew, okay. And number 7 is C-R-Y, cry. I hope no one is crying this morning. Cry. And number 8, L, this also you can write W as well as Y, both are correct. L-A-W, low, done. L-A-Y, lay, okay, both are correct. Number 9, C-R-O-W, crow. Number 10, N-E-W, new. And number 11, this also you can write both. W also, if you want, you can write, it's correct. Even if you write Y, it is also correct. S-T-R-A-W, straw. S-T-R-A-Y, stray. Both are correct. And number 12 is P-L-Y, ply. Okay, P-L-Y, ply. Then let's go to number F. Supply a suitable consonant for each blank. Consonants are which are not vowels and which are not semi-vowels. Semi-vowels, teka W le Y nya. Vowels, teka A, E, I, O, U. Kang te tel lo song ka consonants ani ka o A, B, C, Z klenga kan zira kan. So we are going to supply consonants. This is very important. Consonants, you have to know it very well. So number 1, you can give many answers like B-A-T, bat, C-A-T, cat, P-A-T, pet, M-A-T, mat. You do very exactly. This boy, he's turning around his chair. Are you writing? Joel Maltin. Joel? Number 1, there are so many answers for this. M-A-T, mat, P-A-T, pet, B-A-T, bat, C-A-T, cat. Indo berka exactly. Then number 2, R-A-T-E, rate. R-A-T-E, red. Number 3, P-L-A-I-N, plain. N. Number 4, grape, G-R-A-P-E. Number 5, B-U-L-L, bull. Bull. Number 6, also there are 2-3 answers for this. You can write M, mat, C, cat, P, patch. So whatever you want, you can write. You can write M for number 6, M. You can write C. You can write P also. That's your choice. Okay. Then number 7, P-L-Y. Don't write A. A is vowel. You cannot write A. You are going to write only consonants. A consonants to hazia turan ibangin. A in zia chuan P anya P to zia zia na yani. Amero to consonant nilo A ka. It is vowel. So you will write P-L-Y, ply. Okay, for number 7. And number 8. How many of you wrote W-A-Y, way? You are wrong if you write A. It should be W-H-Y, Y. Okay, W-H-Y. And number 9. I think many of you didn't get this answer because many students, they get mixed up with this. Number 9 is A-G-O, ago. A-G-O, ago. Long ago, we say, isn't it? There was a king and queen. Long ago. Kalto. A-G-O. Okay. Have you all finished writing this? So these 3 are very important. D, E, F, you have to know. When you are asked to fill in the blanks with a suitable vowel, suitable to adiktur ka. answer bera omlo like boy bay khang answer b ko omlo bay in ja poina dika boy in ja poina dika. So it is vowel chok han in philapang semi vowel ni chuan semi vowel chawin in philapang. If it is consonant, you will use only the consonant letters. Okay. Last time I told you this one, can you see this? These are the consonants. Okay. Consonants. And this one, these 5 letters are vowels. Vowels. And these 2 letters are semi-vowels. And minka in semi-vowels. This one is vowels, 5 letters, and this big one. I hope you all can see this. It is consonants. 19 letters are there. Vowels have 5 letters. Semi-vowels have 2 letters. And consonants have 19 letters. So when we add together, 5 vowels, 2 semi-vowels, and 19 consonants. When we add them, it comes to 9, 10, 11, 11 plus 7 is 9, 10, 11, 26 letters. Okay, there are 26 letters in the English alphabet. So you have to know this alphabet. ABC, you know very well, but you have to know they are divided into 3 groups. One is vowel, one is semi-vowel, and the third one is consonant. It's very easy, but you have to know it very well, because in the next class, or we'll keep learning, and we are going to learn singular and plural. That time it's going to be very useful. So now I want you all to turn your books to page number 16. The word. Can you see the picture of the fox? Now this fox, okay. Look here. This fox, if we write only F, F is 1 letter, isn't it? F, okay, it has no meaning. And if we write here O again, and if we write here X again, these are all alphabets. Alphabets, only F, O, X. But when these 3 letters, when we put together and then forms one, it becomes fox. F, F, O, X, so it has a sound, isn't it? So F, O, X to fox. We say fox. And this fox is a name of an animal. And when we put these 3 letters together, it has got a meaning. It has got a sound, really. And so when we put these 3, when we put the letters together, we call it a word. We call it a word, okay? So we are going to learn about a word. W-O-R-D. All the alphabets A, B, C, D, E up to Z, when we take out some letters and when we arrange them, okay, and when it has got a meaning, that is called a word. Like eat, E-A-T. E-A-T. Kan rem kom tuan? It is eat. And the meaning is we eat food. We eat many things. Then the letter like lion. L-I-O-N. These 4 letters, when we put them together, it is L-I-O-N, lion. And lion has got a name. It's a name of an animal. So like that, all the letters of the English alphabets are very, very important. But remember, there are 2 letters. 2 letters which we return alone. They have got a meaning, and we must write in big letter. This is very important. 2 letters when written alone. Capital letter line, that is I and O. I and O. Okay. I. O means when we are surprised. Oh God. Oh my, we say, isn't it? So when we return these 2 letters alone, big letter, many of you make mistake this. I am going to school. I am writing. I am drawing. I am eating food. When you write this I alone, it should be big letter. Okay. And these 2 letters, I and O, when written alone, big letter. Many of the students, you know, they make mistake. Anti small team. I and don't can. Take small I. I am a girl. When you write this I in small letter, you will get a big X. X lian top. Whenever you write this I alone, it should be capital letter. So word means when we put the letters A, B, C, and rem comma, zenaya thusoi til lam thuak thei ani chuan, that is called word. Okay. Here it is said, any sound or sounds that combine, that is mixed, that is put together to have some meaning is called a word. If some people ask you, what is a word? Word to enti na ngayon. Mo, angry po. Zenay de wa kan rem kom chuan. That is called a word. Now look at page number 17. Are you ready with your pencils? Number A. Look at number A. See, A-N-D. Kante ka anrem kom niya law akara kuma omzel kaishem. But on the line, without the comma ka inziak to lawang. Write A-N-D, all of you, on the line, on the blue line, page number 17A. Okay, A-N-D will be what? And. It has got a meaning. I have a marker and a pencil. And we use that and. So A and D, when we write them together, it is a word. Word. Do number 2 again. C-A-G-E, write on the blue line. C-A-G-E, write all of you. Write them, please. Okay. And it has got a meaning, cage. The birds, they live in a cage. We keep birds in the cage. And number 3 also, right? W-A-L-L, wall, bang. See, the whiteboard is on the wall. And number 4 is train. A very long vehicle. Train, rail. Have you seen train? I think many of you have traveled in the train. Then this B is very easy. You are now in class 3. Number B, you will do it when our class is over. Let's go to number C. I'll help you to write number C. C, they are arranged. They are not arranged in order. Unrem diklau hekanin. Hahakan rem diktong. We are going to arrange it in a proper order. Diktawin on the blue line, we are going to write. So S-A-T-E-L, settle, isn't it? Settle has no meaning. But when we read in Mizo S-R-T-A-L, settle. But in English, it has no meaning, isn't it? So we are going to arrange this S-A-T-E-L, and we are going to arrange the letters and make a meaningful word. So all of you write S-L-A-T-E, slate. S-L-A-T-E. Number 1, slate. Okay, can you see this? S-L-A-T-E, slate. And the second one, can anyone tell me? On your microphone, if you're going to answer, then you will off again.
P-A-R.
What is number 2? Very good. Very clever students. Number 2 is P-A-R-R-O-T, parrot. I want you to write very nicely with your beautiful handwriting. Then, who will tell me number 3?
Animal.
Very, very good. Yes, good. Students, clever students. Animal. A-N-I-M-A-L, animal. And who will tell me number 4? What is number 4? Anyone can tell me? Huh? Yes, I'm very good. Tell me the spelling. C-A-T-C-H. Catch. I'm going to catch you. Okay. Then the last one. If you get all correct, what remarks do the teachers give you? In Lauti, one teachers can remark catching too. Good. Yes, very good.
Good.
G-O-O-D. Good. Very, very good. You all are good. So I hope you all have written that. Can you see? The first one is slate. Second one, parrot. Third one is animal. Fourth one is catch. And fifth one is good. Okay. Now, let's go to the next page. And we have finished learning about word. Word to tumal. Now we are going to learn about sentences. To omzane. Sentence. Group words take up. Words come the patum pali kan rem koba omzane the wakan rem one. That is called sentence. Okay, off your microphones, please. I can hear some noise. Off your microphone. Okay, thank you. Now, sentence to tutluanting. Okay, we are going to make sentences like I am a teacher. I is one word. M is the second word. A remote proper word. Teacher is one word. So four words are there. I am a teacher. It is one sentence. You are a student. You are a student. 4 words. Words pali kanin. Sentence puiting pakat asiam kanin. That is called sentence. Okay. Omzenaya tutluan king. And siam kan. That is called a sentence. So a sentence is a group of words arranged in proper order to make complete sense. Omzenaya tu kanrem kombikan. That is called sentence. Now let's go to page number 19. Get ready again. Today, you're going to take part. You're not only going to listen. So we are going to make sentence. See, page number 19, A, B, C, D, E. Put the words in proper order to make sentence. Good a girl Mary is. No meaning. Good a girl Mary is a very broken English. It has no meaning. So we are going to arrange these words and put them in a meaningful way. Okay. Good a girl Mary is. Tuan pakat in chapter 2. Sentence in Tranapia in capital letters. In mga. Okay. You will always begin a sentence with a capital letter. Ate inin siya tran ngai tu ni lau reng sentence. Khang kha chu le kha thiam lau ho ti dan ni. Small letter in an tran chi na khang kha le kha thiam lau ho ja dan ni. You all are educated students. You all are bright, so you will begin with big letter. Okay, I know you all are good. So let us start writing. Number 1. Are you ready? I'm going to say, good a girl Mary is wrong. So we are going to arrange it. Mary, right, all of you? Mary is a good girl. Then put full stop. Mary, M will be big. Có mà hậu khai in giặc tỏ là vắng. Có mà hậu khai in giặc lặng tỏ là vắng. Mary is a good girl. Did you put full stop? Full stop take a look here. Okay. Dấu tỏ lockdown xuống nha. Number 1. Mary is a good girl. And full stop. Okay, this is full stop. Begin with big letter. Then, number 2. The right bar we, no meaning. Hi, that boy. Joel. Nghe. Telescope tay xem em mẹ. Be attentive. Number 2, right? We begin with big letter. We ride the bus. We ride the bus. W should be big letter. We ride the bus. The spelling is all there. Look carefully and write. Then number 3, to Betty school goes. No meaning. So we are going to put them in the correct meaning. Betty goes to school. Full stop. Betty is the name of a girl. Betty goes to school. Then number 4. Number 4, the dog, right, the dog. The dog, the T will be big letter. The dog barks, bow, bow. Barks means the dog is barking. The dog barks at the beggar. Full stop. The dog barks at the beggar. Okay. Have you finished writing up to 4? Let me wait for others. Number 4, the dog barks at the beggar. Bark akan estel ngay ito. Did you all put full stop for number 1, 2, 3, 4? I hope you have put the full stop. And begin all with capital letter. 5, 6, 7, and 8. I'm not going to do. I want you to exercise your brain, but I'll give you a clue. Atran natur ka in underline. Hey, chu nakina in law tiang. Number 5. All of you underline always. Kaka abul chan na turani ha. Always. You will do the sentence when you're having a free time. Number 6. Mr. Underline MR. Kaka abul chan na tur. The beginning. MR. Number 6. Number 7. She. 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 Underline that. She. And number 8. I. Single I. Or even if you want, you can start with yesterday. Yesterday po kan in trantaya, I po in trantay. Indu zog kan in trantay. Number 8. Okay. Then for your homework.
Miss, number 6, say again.
Number 6, Mr. MRT kan in tranan. Mr. to mi paho mi Mr. Brown, Mr. Khan ti te kan teaching hamo. He's Mr. Household Smith to mingan meya. So you will start with MR number 6, number 7 to she, number 8 to yesterday mo I kan in so kan in trantay. Yeah. Okay, now I'm going to give you homework. On page number 18, 18A, very easy. Amilem ang hanway in Ziabdon. A, B, A and B. That is your homework. In the next class, I'm going to check your homework. A and B. Then go back to page number 17. 17 can rule B. B. Look at each picture, write the words for it. The picture is there and you will write the picture name. That's very easy, isn't it? Okay, that one you will do for your homework. And don't forget to do this 5, 6, 7, and 8. I know you all are good. Use your brain, exercise your brain, okay? Don't put your brains, don't lock down your brains. In truck the kind of lockdown tel me. Oh, lockdown reng like to. Chuan English kan dai le don huna kan a story te kind of chiaran. In lo chiaranga a meeting in shit lo ho te kind of underline nga class kan dai le huna. You will ask me. And yesterday I told you to write down the names of 20 birds. I hope you don't forget it. 20 birds, okay? Do you still remember? And to make a bird, sabalem siam tur. Tekain laula siam. Chuan dry flower press tur. Tekain laula siam. Hang zong ka. In truck, in lockdown, lock na turin, in lo soy soyam. Ah,
Me.
yes.
The 20 birds name.
In a piece of paper, in any paper, chuan in lo da cham. Okay, between your books. Ani lo ko in lo til ko mga. Chuan, kay kan zo to. We have finished. I miss you all. Take care of yourself. Be healthy. Bye bye all of you.
Bye.
Bye.